surprised. Wow, look at this beauty. Yeah. Feels good. Nice and plump.
Let's see, I'm actually videoing it because it's hard to... There you go. What a pretty baby. Yeah. This is Cheryl.
Nice looking baby.
Hey, Jess. Just, there you go.
So this is 4.
I'm just...
So we gotta get to 5. Fancy. So these are actually like rollers. We have like we got 5 A5 yet.
How are you catching chickens? I'm like, all right, you know, I'm not as good as you guys, I'm sure. And they're like, okay, got it. And so I ran around and caught 30 chickens, you know, like boom, boom, boom.
30
I guess
chickens?
if you're catching pigeons, you can catch chickens.
There were 30 chickens?
30 chickens, yeah, all in this coop right here.
Oh my God.
And it was pretty funny. I was laughing. I was like, oh, this is good. They're being powdered for...
Oh, yeah, for lice and all that.
Lice. What Cheryl and Jess are doing is checking to make sure we don't want to take any questionable birds.
I see.
Go to special care.
I have three now.
And yet to be determined.
3 questionable ones, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, there are 2 that are a little bit. They're, I'm trying to feel if they're too thin.
Off on the trail,
Yeah.
because you're supposed to stay, 50 feet from them or 100 feet? And 10 feet from the trail, there was a condor perched up.
Oh, great.
Misses with the eggs. I mean, with us being in, you guys can do what you want. With us being in animal control, we got rid of the eggs that were in nests that weren't hatched.
Right.
Because we didn't want more pigeons.
Exactly.
So all the eggs should be fairly fresh eggs. Is it 4 weeks for?
18 days.
18 days.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. So separate by himself or
No,
zero?
no, that's fine.
So third?
You want to start passing boxes out to Chris to
Sure.
give you more room?
Yeah. So.
Yeah. 201 pigeons.
Hey, John. Wave.
It's kind of exciting. I mean, they're coming to such a nicer place.
Yeah.
It's a great place. Can you see him in there?
Here, see? Hello.
What's it? Good baby.
Yeah, you're going to be happy. I'm gonna check on my little one with the poopy feet that I thought, I wasn't sure if she might be a feral, which is fine. Like, I mean, it's fine for us, but sometimes these guys are kind of funny about ferals, so I wanted to just, but
Run them by it. Run them by it.
but I don't think she is out here now that I see her. She's
There's one up there, one roller. But they all look healthy.
like I said, we pulled.
Oh, you did pull them?
Yeah.
What happened to the ones that were not healthy?
We're gonna take care of them.
Oh.
And there's a bunch in here. Their feet, they got these big hard rock
Can I get this one here? Maybe this
clumps
is
on
the
their
one.
feet from
Yeah.
walking around.
You break those
Okay.
with pot.
Yeah, like if we miss some, this is a backup count. So
Right, exactly.
babies. Little one, look it. I got a little house for you. I got a house for you. There, look at that. There's your babies. Here. I'm crazy trying to get out. I don't know. It's the
Oh, the mother.
yeah.